Working with the GE Edison team has been absolutely awesome. I'm so proud of the fact that in the course of 6 months, we were able to convert technical synergies into actual products that we are working with clients to deploy. Really looking forward to what the future holds for the GE 5C partnership.
5C Networks is a very energized team. They are very mission focused.
For the last 6 months, Deep Tech has been working very closely with GE on the Edison X program, and it was a great experience, great learning and great enrichment in this entire 6 months. This 6 months gave us the wonderful opportunity to understand the entire healthcare diagnostic ecosystem and also connect with it. Not only that, it also helped us in tapping the huge vast resources of mentors which are available at GE, not only at the headquarters but all across the globe. And we are truly benefited by this experience, and we really hope that this association continues even in the future as well.
I started working with Deep Tech about 6 months ago, but it almost feels like I've known them for a very long time. I wish them all the luck and hope they succeed and they grow much more, and all the best, guys.
One of the biggest distinction of Edison X program, GE always knew what they wanted to achieve through this collaboration with Orbo. Second, at times that we felt that we didn't have enough intellect about healthcare, or our questions were naive and basic, but they made sure that they collectively helped us either through internal and external resources to get what we wanted at the end of the day. Third, my recommendation and plea to new startups: do not fear to align with big corporations. They are as much as agile as we are.
In my experience, I have come across several startups, but I feel that Orbo is a unique startup which is driven by a research culture.
The last 6 months with GE have been incredible in terms of the kinds of ideas, discussions, and actually executing on them together. It's given us access to so many internal stakeholders and really explore what's possible. We've successfully integrated our LungIQ solution seamlessly with GE's clinical workflow, as well as leverage their expertise in advanced visualization to power up our own products.
Mentoring the Predible team has just been incredible. We have actually managed to establish a very strong relationship between Predible and our CT modality, and hoping that one of their solutions which they have built for COVID will be out there in a clinical site in a very short span of time.
While working with GE, we were exposed to many different aspects of a healthcare organization, a preview of the task ahead of us. We're excited about continued collaboration and learning more. Huge kudos to the legal and QA teams at GE. They were always very supportive and methodical. The team is made of true experts in the field.
They have picked a very niche space in the neurology area. I think they have the solution which can really help the radiologists crack the spine exams.